guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy if you're new here, and welcome. Today's video, I have done a complexion video for you guys, testing out the Revlon's Photoready Candid Natural Finish Anti-Pollution Foundation. This also has antioxidants and anti-blue light, oil-free. I also used the concealer. And oh my god, these are beautiful. I am in love, and they are relatively inexpensive, and I will be buying some more. I know it's a little bit darker than the rest of me because I bought it to go with my tan. So I'll be doing my tan this evening, but this is amazing. Amazing, and I plan on picking up some more of this. I think I may have just found my favorite foundation of all. Maybe. There's still more out there to try, but I love this and the Becca full coverage, 24-hour full coverage. And then I tested out the HD finishing powder by Naked Cosmetics, and this is fantastic. My god. I have been looking for a powder that doesn't cake up and doesn't crease my under eyes, and this is it. Oh my god. I am in love. Holy grail. I will be using this under my eyes from now on. God, I hope I can pick up more. This is amazing. I love it. And then the Too Faced Do You Fresh Glow Luminous Face Primer. And this one's in Radiant Nude, and that's what I'm wearing underneath. And I feel like it gave a perfect glow to the natural finish. It is amazing. Amazing. And this is this was just a medium to full coverage foundation. And I think it is a perfect medium. And I don't mind a medium. I kind of like my freckles, so it doesn't really bother me. But it still covered up a lot of my blemishes, and like I have some texture going on my chin because we wear surgical masks at work. And this, oh, amazing. Amazing. Check it out. Watch my video. So today I am wanting to try out the Revlon's Candid Photoready Natural Finish Anti-Pollution Foundation. Their concealer. I'm also going to do the Too Faced Do You Fresh Glow Luminous Face Primer and the Naked Finish, the HD Finishing Powder by Naked Cosmetics. I picked up these a little everywhere. I think you see most of it in my haul except for the Revlon. I picked that up at Walmart. And then I'm also going to do my Anastasia Beverly Hills, the ABH Cream Contour Palette. I'm going to show that to you. I did it once before, and I lost all of that video. So I'm going to just put that in with this so you can see this in action as well. So let's go ahead and get started here. Make sure I have my trusty mirror here so I can see what I'm doing. I'm trying not to get my mirror too much in. There we go. So we are going to start with this. And that's what it looks like. It's really pretty. Let's see how this works. Give it a good shake. We're going to prime it if we need it to come out. Trying to make this quick. I have a barbecue to go to here soon. I hope that wasn't too much. We will find out. Bring it down here because it will bring my foundation down. I'm afraid the foundation might be a little dark, but that's okay. We'll just make it work. Because I got it so that when I tan, I've got a good color going. Or at least a good color match, so we'll see. Sorry if you hear my washer running. I am trying to get laundry done at the same time. It's my weekend. Pretty luminous. I like that. I don't have any new color correctors. I'm just going to go in with my Essence in pink, in pastel pink here. And I've got my makeup sponge. It is clean. It is just stained. This color sponge just stained something horrible. go in and cover as much of that up as we can. Alright. I like that. It's pretty. That might be a bit much. I think it'll be okay for color matching here. Let's find out. Not too bad. It does say it's a medium to buildable coverage. I don't think that color matches too bad at all. And I'm okay with medium, especially this time of year. It does say it is where is it? Oh, here it is. It has anti-pollution, antioxidants, and anti-blue light oil free. So, oh yeah, a little goes a long ways, and I got way too much. Well, at least now I know if I really like this. It's not very expensive either, which is nice. Because some foundations can be really expensive and some aren't so bad, but I kind of like to find things that are a little more on the affordable side for you guys, so you have an idea of what's out there to get the look you want without having to break the bank. I know my hair is a mess and I'll be fixing that later too, but maybe it wasn't. It was just the right amount for my face. I like the way it blended out just effortlessly. I mean, I could use this in a hurry in the mornings and be good to go. I'm gonna need just one more pump just for my neck. That. Here. For it just being a medium coverage, I think it is covering a lot of my blemishes and stuff really well. Because I have this little thing here, I don't know what it's from. I've got a little texture going on my chin because we have to wear those surgical masks at work right now with everything that's been going on. It's the joys of working in an office, in a doctor's office. But so how's everybody else holding up with this stuff that's going on? Doing alright? Alright, and now I'm going to go in with the concealer. Ooh, that's got a nice doe foot on that. Let's see how this is going to work here. Here. I like to go a little lighter on my under eyes. I like to try to brighten that up as much as possible. Let's see. Oh wow. Oh, I like this. So far, so good. I'm liking this, and the luminous underneath is nice too, gives it a nice dewy look. I'm liking this. So far, so good. Man, that just blended out with just ease. It just melted right in, just like butter. Oh my god. It's a little tacky, but not like massively tacky. We'll fix that. But let's go in with contour. I am going to use this like middle shade here. I found the light shades are too light and the dark shades are too dark, so we're gonna go medium. And I have this 110 Goodnight Luxie DC little flat brush here that I like to use. And I'm going to start right about here, right at the end of my eye and back. And it looks a little crazy right now, but I will blend that all out with my blender in just a minute. Now, I don't do my nose because my nose is already pretty thin, so I don't really mess with my nose much. Right, and then we're just gonna blend it. Gorgeous. And I know it looks kind of crazy right now, but once I get all of my powders on and do my powder contour and my bronzer, it's gonna look fabulous. Oh, I am liking this because normally I've got a lot of creases started with this concealers, and this one is not. I'm liking that. So now that we are, I don't know what the side's doing. Now that we're all blended, we're gonna go in with this, the Naked Cosmetics HD finishing powder. Let's see what we can get here. It's in translucent. It's just a white powder here. You can maybe tell. Kind of smells like cotton candy, but it's just a regular white powder. This is what I use to set my under eye. It's the Vasanti concealer buffer. Let's see, hopefully this does not make my under eye seriously crazy. Oh wow, no, that's awesome. This is just silky smooth. Glides right on. Oh wow. That is gorgeous. Oh yeah. Absolutely beautiful. I may have just found my under eye setting powder. I really like, for like my whole face, for a really luminous effect, the Too Faced Dewy setting powder. It's translucent pearl. It's really pretty. I'm gonna put some of this on my nose because my nose always breaks apart, especially when I wear my sunglasses. I'm gonna eventually go over my whole face, but I just wanted to do a little extra on the places that I have the biggest issues with. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, it just set that down in nothing. Like it was nothing. Oh my gosh. This is the Wet n Wild pointed powder brush. It's I need to wash it and reshape it. It got kind of beat up in there. That's alright. Tap on excess and just balance it on. Oh, wow. Okay, so I have not had this kind of luck with a powder. I have been trying to find like the holy grail of setting powders for my face. Because my forehead's still sticky, yep. And this is like one swipe and done. Oh my god. So. Oh wow. So I'm really liking this powder. It's a little dusty, but I don't really mind. Because it is just setting it down. Sorry. My headphones tell me I have emails. I forgot to silence it. So that is what I have for you for complexion today. Tell me what you think in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!